Hi guys, today I want to discuss the difference between molecular statics and molecular dynamics. So in molecular statics, the temperature is 0 Kelvin and the velocity that you give to the particles is 0 because as you know from the Boltzmann equation, 3 by 2 kBt equals to half mv square, so the temperature is directly proportional to the velocity square of the particles. So if you want to do simulation at 0 Kelvin, the velocity should be 0. And in molecular dynamics, the temperature is always greater than 0 Kelvin. So what you do is you give some initial velocity to that particular temperature you want to do the simulation. So that is the primary difference between these two. So let's do lattice parameter calculation at 0 Kelvin. And part of the LAMMPS code, you can see I have used fix box relax command for the relaxation of the box, and I use the minimization command to do the simulation. So here I have a movie. In the movie you can see that the box is contracting and the lattice parameter is changing based on the interaction potential between the atoms. Now if you use the fix command, I use the ISO 0.0. It means that the pressure, outside pressure that I am giving is 0. So it's you are giving the box to relax in a free air condition, and now you have the velocity volume maximum change. So that's the fraction of the volume change that you give the system to relax. And now you use the minimization command, and you have to choose the parameters of the minimization command with care so that you can relax the system properly. This is the code I am using. So here I am using the temperature. I am computing all temperature, this one, and this temperature I am using in the thermostyle so that I can see the temperature at each thermodynamic step. So I am outputting every 100 thermodynamic steps. So you can see the temperature every 100 thermodynamic steps. And now I am using the set fraction. So I have set the nickel to 0.9%, zero point 0.9 fraction, in cobalt to 0.1%, zero point 0.1 fraction. So you can see the red atoms are the cobalt and the blue atoms are the nickel. And now when I relax the system, you can see that the temperature which I am calculating here is actually 0. So you can see that the lattice parameter that you calculate with the minimization command is actually 0 Kelvin. And later I want to show here that the stopping criteria is energy tolerance, but it is not force force tolerance, because the force can never converge, but the energy can converge to a certain value based on the temperature that you're choosing, or it can either be the iterations or the force evaluations that you see here. Those two, either of them can be the stopping criteria. Now this is the lattice parameter at 300 Kelvin. So this is a part of the LAMMPS code where I am giving the velocity at 300 Kelvin. So this is some random number which is like this is for the Gaussian distribution of the particles. So you have to give some random number to generate a Gaussian distribution of the velocity of the particles. And now I am using the fix command where I am using NPT, not NVT. If you use NVT, the volume is fixed, so you cannot relax the box. So you have to use NPT ensemble. And now the temperature which I am giving, the initial and the final temperature is 300 Kelvin, and this 0.1 means I am not allowing the temperature to change much. And now this ISO means the pressure that you're giving. So the initial pressure and the final pressure is 0, and this is the damping factor, which is how you want the pressure to change from the initial to the final. So if the pressure is always 0, then you need not worry about the damping factor of the pressure. Now I am using the run command to run my simulation. So if you see, when I do this, you can see that the particles are actually vibrating because it's 300 Kelvin. The particles have certain velocity and they vibrate around, and the box is actually relaxing. So you can see again the box is actually relaxing and contracting because I have given a lattice parameter which is higher than required. It's always better to give a lattice parameter which is higher than what you can expect. Let us say the lattice parameter is 3.5 angstroms, then don't give 3.2. If you give 3.2, the particles will explode. Give like 4, so that they relax to 3.5. So I think that helps a lot. And as you know, this is the LAMMPS code that I'm using, and I set the fraction to 0.5, so you can see there are equal amount of blue atoms and red atoms. And I'm using the fix npt command to do my simulation, and I'm using the run command to do the simulation. So after I run the simulation, you can see that the temperature initially is 300 Kelvin, but the lattice parameter doesn't allow for that. So the box immediately relaxes. So the temperature of the system changes. So the box tries to rearrange, the particles tries to rearrange and try to reach the temperature that you have set. And this is how you do the simulation in molecular dynamics. So it's fairly simple. Molecular statics versus dynamics. Molecular statics is minimization command, which uses conjugate gradient method as default method, and the molecular dynamics you use different ensembles, so that based on the kind of simulation you want to do, you use the ensemble. And don't mix molecular statics and molecular dynamics. Please don't do that. I have seen many people giving some certain velocity and then use minimization command for the simulation. If you are giving velocity which is greater than 0 Kelvin, and you are using minimization command which is for 0 Kelvin, so you are actually reducing the velocity of the particles to 0 Kelvin, which is not correct. Don't do that. So it's very simple. For molecular statics which is 0 degree Kelvin, you use minimization command to do the simulation. And molecular dynamics, you give some certain velocity, then you use some ensembles. You use the fix command to choose your ensemble, and then you use the run command to do your simulation. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.